Hey there, this is Will the Circle Be Unbroken, starting on the C chord. 1, 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. I was standing by my window on one cold and cloudy day when I saw that hearse come rolling for to carry my mother away. Undertaker, Undertaker, please drive slow. For this woman you are carrying, oh, I hate to see her go. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Oh, I follow close behind her, tried to hold up and be brave, but I could not hide my sorrow as they laid her in the grave. Then I went home, my home was lonesome, for my mother, she was gone. All my brothers and sisters crying, what a home so sad and alone. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Oh, will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. In the sky, Lord, in the sky. Nice job. Enjoy that one around your campfire. One more quick thing. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you and to keep this channel going, and you also get to enjoy some extra perks and resources for your music learning. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, which you should also click if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support.